Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pamper routine for you. I know that with the quarantine and self-isolation, a lot of us are just looking to relax and pamper ourselves at home, and this is one of my most highly requested videos, so I thought I would throw one together for you guys to show you how I give myself an at-home facial, and I was actually really pleased with the results of this one, so I'm happy to share. So yeah, I'm gonna share my skincare routine, some fun DIYs, a really fun bath bomb, and just hopefully help you overall relax. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, I'm going to make my new favorite thing, which is cucumber mint water, I've made this before, but I have an abundance of mint growing. I already had a plant of mint growing outside, and then my mom for Christmas got me one of these modern sprout herb jars, and it is just abundant with mint. And I don't use mint that often, so I've been looking into ways on how to use it, and I always have a bunch of leftover cucumbers, so I thought one day, let me throw them together in a pitcher, let it sit for a while, and then I have my own spa water. It is delicious. I cannot get enough of it, and it's been my favorite to make a batch. I usually only let it sit for like 2 days before I make a fresh batch, just because after a while you can tell it's been sitting. But it's my new favorite thing to do. I make a fresh batch every once in a while. I have it when I take a bath, because I've been taking a lot of baths during the quarantine, and it's just delicious. So I'm cutting a bunch of mint off of my herb jar, which it regrows so fast, so I'm making this all the time, and then I'm just slicing up a cucumber. Then all you need is a pitcher. This one I got on Black Friday from Anthropologie, and I love it. And I'm just going to shove the mint in there. I needed a spoon to kind of get it down in there. And then place all of the cucumbers, and then just fill it up with water and give it a stir. Let it sit for at least an hour, maybe 2 hours, and then you're good to go. A big part of Pamper Day for me is setting the cozy vibes in the apartment, so I like to light candles. I have this one in the bathroom from Trader Joe's. I did trim the wick because I could hear you guys in the comments complaining about the wick, so I trimmed it. So I'm just lighting the candle, turning on the fairy lights, and a little bit I'll get the oil diffusers going and just setting the mood. And I'm actually going to be doing a double mask in this video, so we're starting off with the Boscia Luminizing Pink Mask. This is a peel-off mask. I will warn you now, it is very painful, but it's pink and it's fun and it's cute, but it's effective. So do not get it on your eyebrows, because that will hurt when you're trying to peel it off. Avoid all of your face hair, like my little sideburn there. Got to get that out of the way. Don't touch the eyebrows. Trust me, if you listen to anything I say, listen to that. So I am just trying to get a good thickness going so that it's easy to peel off. If you have extra cucumbers lying around, slap those on your face, although it works much better if you're lying down, as I quickly realized. This is what, like, the consistency of my mask, if you're curious of how much to use. And then while that is drying, I am running the bath. I can't remember which bubble bar I used. I think it's the Mother's Day Knockout bubble bar from Lush that I've been loving. It has Epsom salts in it, which I'm going to add more Epsom salts, but it just smells really minty, and it helps relax my muscles, and I love it. I've just been obsessed. I'm always obsessed with baths, but like in this quarantine time, I'm gonna, I think, do like a quarantine morning and night routine as well, because I have more of a routine now than ever, which is really odd. But anyway, I got off track. I am adding some Epsom salts into the bath as well, just because I picked up a fresh bag at Target. And yeah, just letting the bath run. I'm also going to diffuse some oils, like I said, so I'm just prepping my diffuser with some water, and then I'm going to be going in with Peace and Calming. This is hands down one of my favorite oils ever, but certainly one of my favorites when I'm having bath time or just in the evening time and I'm trying to relax. It just instantly puts me in a calm mood, so I am adding about 5 drops of that to my diffuser, and then I'm just going to get that going. And then I'm also going to pour myself a glass of the spa water, which, oh, it looks so good. It's making me thirsty. I need some immediately. But yeah, I'm just going to pour myself a glass. I got that cute cup at Anthropologie, by the way. And yeah, I'm just getting my bath side area ready. I usually prop up my iPad on the toilet so I can watch some videos. But before I get in the bath, I'm actually going to peel off the mask, and it is so painful, you guys. Bradley came in and he was like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "No." And he was all grossed out. But It's not that bad, but it definitely does sting a little bit. But I think the benefits and like the outcome is totally worth it. So I'm just peeling off every piece that I can, and anything that didn't dry for some reason, you can just take a warm washcloth and get it off like that. But yeah, gross. So I said I was using a double mask. I am now going in with my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. This is one of my all-time favorite masks. I use it all the time. This is the mega jumbo size because I find that it doesn't dry out like the can size does. So I am just generously putting that all over my face, including my eyelids, because my eyelids get dry. This is the best hydrating mask ever, you guys, I promise. Then I am going to get in my bath with that mask on, and I'm using the Blazin' Bad Zula Bath Bomb from the Mother's Day collection. I did a Lush spring haul. I can link that up in the corner. This was a beautiful bath bomb, and I'm going to leave in the footage of this entire bath bomb because I found it so relaxing, and I feel like this one was just so beautiful, so I wanted to share it if you guys are interested. I do want to say, if you have the phobia of holes or bubbles, obviously by now you know to look away, but yeah, just skip ahead a few minutes, but I'm just going to let you relax and enjoy this amazing, beautiful bath bomb disintegrate. And then once it's done, you're left with these like beautiful dark purple waters, which purple is my favorite color. I also recently learned that you can take some of your crystals into the water. You want to do research on which ones are good to go in the water, and rose quartz is one of them. And I heard this tip to take your crystal in the bath with you. And I just thought that was fun, and it's just something else pretty to look at while you're in the tub. And I also made a DIY body scrub that I love. This body scrub, I've been making it for a while. I discovered it a few years ago when I think I was doing another Pamper routine and I wanted some DIYs. And I just loved this one so much that I keep doing it. So you need some Epsom salts, some melted coconut oil, and then I'm just going to mix that together. I don't use measurements. I just kind of like play it by ear. I eyeball it is what I meant to say, not play it by ear, but whatever, you get it. And then I'm taking some peppermint oil. I really enjoy the Young Living Mint Satin Facial Scrub for my face. I love the way it makes my face feel cool and clean. So I like adding this to my body scrub as well because it gives my whole body the same effect. And the peppermint mixed with the Epsom salts just really leaves your body feeling cooled and relaxed at the same time. It's really hard to describe, but I would highly recommend trying this if you have these ingredients on hand. So I put about 5 to 6 peppermint drops in there. Peppermint is really strong, so just play it by ear. Jesus. Eyeball it, I mean, and use it to your taste of your scent preference. But once it's this consistency where it's just a little bit like mushy kind of, it's ready to go. So I brought that to the bath with me and scrubbed my whole body. And like I said, I used that mint satin facial scrub to scrub my face. And I love this stuff so much. It's one of my new favorite skincare products. So yeah. Then when I got out of the bath, I forgot to show it, but I smothered myself in my First Aid Beauty body lotion, and then I am using my Lush Galaxy lip scrub to scrub my lips. My lips have been extra dry lately, I don't know why. And I don't think you can get this one, but just any of the Lush lip scrubs I love. I'll link my other favorite one down below. They just are so effective, they taste really good, and I love them. So then I am going in with, I mentioned this in my last favorites video, which I can link up in the corner, but it's the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I think I got that right. And I just put that on a cotton round and just kind of go to town all over my face. It does leave like a consistency on your skin and I don't really care for it, but as long as you follow up with a moisturizer, it feels much better and I really am seeing a difference in my skin. And now I'm going to show you how I make my DIY face toner. You guys know that for years I was using the Lush Tea Tree Toner, but for the last 6 months I have been making my own and I love it. So you just need this spray bottle, which I love this one, I can link it down below, some witch hazel, some tea tree essential oil, you guys know I love tea tree in my skincare, some grapefruit essential oil. To be honest, I don't know, I read that this is good for your skin, so I added it, as well as rose, which is very expensive, but I love it and I reserve it just for DIYs and perfumes and such. So you're just going to take the top off, and if you have a funnel, it will come in handy. And I'm just filling it up halfway with witch hazel. Then I'm going to add in my oils. I do 10 drops each of tea tree and grapefruit, and then 2 drops of rose. And then if your rose oil is like natural and proper the way it should be, it will harden in between uses, but if you just give it a rub through your hands like that, it instantly like loosens it up and then it's in liquid consistency again. It's really weird, but it works every time. And I only add 2 drops of rose because it's very expensive and I like to preserve it, and you don't need much more than that anyway. Then I fill the rest up with water, put the little top on, give it a shake, and that's it. And it usually lasts me about a month. But even so, it's still saving me so much money to not be buying that $20 toner from Lush every 3 months. So I do give it a shake before every use just to make sure the oils are nice and distributed, and then I just take a bath in it. It seriously smells so good and I love the benefits it's doing for my skin. Then I am taking a rose quartz roller. I love my jade roller, but I also have a rose quartz one, which I decided to use today. And I love this for jaw massage because I do have TMJ. I love to use the small side on my eyebrows like this. It just feels incredible, especially if the tool is cold. I like to go upwards on my neck, around my cheeks. I also have this tool, which I completely forgot what it's called. I'll have it linked down below, but I like this one a lot as well. Lots of different ways to use it. And yeah, so I'm just giving myself a little face massage. Then I'm going in with my new favorite eye cream. Again, I mentioned this in my last favorites video. It's the Trader Joe's Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream. I've been really impressed with this. Trader Joe's Beauty is hit and miss for me, but this is a total hit. I am loving it. I already bought another backup. And yeah, just, you guys know my eye creams, I just need them to be moisturizing, and this gets the job done. Then I'm going in with my favorite cream right now, which is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. It has pineapple enzymes in it to be kind of exfoliating so you glow, but moisturizing at the same time, and it's so luxurious. You feel rich when you're putting it on. And I also add always 2 drops of frankincense when I use this moisturizer as well, and it just makes my skin feel incredible. I can't highly recommend this combo enough, so I'm just going to slather that all over my face. And then one more product for the lips. I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I'm not going to sleep right now, but this is just my favorite thick like lip balm to put on, and it is incredible. You guys have heard me rave about this so many times, but I'm always like amazed at just how nice it makes my lips feel. So any chance I can use it, I do, because I love it. And then finishing the skincare off with the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. I've talked about this several times. I like it on top of makeup, but I also love it just on top of bare skin. It just gives your skin a nice glow. It is a really nice way to like seal in all the moisture that I just gave myself in my at-home facial. So yeah, here is the results of my skin. It was really glowy for the rest of the day and I was really impressed. So I will definitely be doing this whole routine again. But I'm also continuing the pampering throughout the rest of the day. This day I didn't do much. We just kind of hung out, chilled, probably played Animal Crossing, which is my new favorite thing, but I am diffusing more oils in the bedroom. I like to diffuse lemon and Valor. It smells like pink lemonade. It's incredible. And just, again, setting the cozy vibes just to make yourself feel settled in and at home, because you're kind of stuck there. But it's just anything to relax you, go ahead and do it. So that for me, that is diffusing oils. So I'm getting these going in the bedroom diffuser. I diffused Stress Away in the living room diffusers, and it just smelled overall very calm in our apartment, and I loved it. And speaking of oils, I'm also going to slather myself in some. So you guys know I love my Valor roll-on. It just smells really floral yet relaxing. So I'm putting that all over my forearms and my wrists and rubbing that together. And then I'm going to take my Stress Away roll-on and roll that behind my ears and like a little bit on my neck and my chest. And I just instantly feel relaxed when I smell these scents. And it's kind of a routine now for me because I use them daily when I want to calm down. And also, I'll be snuggling the pup all day. If you haven't met him yet, this is Ludo. Love of my life. He's so cute. He's 10 weeks old and I love him. So yeah, guys, if you have puppies to snuggle, that will definitely help. But I hope you guys enjoyed my pamper routine. Like I said, if you guys want quarantine morning and night routines, just comment down below and let me know, or give this video a thumbs up. Just let me know somehow. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying well and somewhat calm. And I love you. I'll talk to you guys soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.